So what's up guys, welcome back to Insloop TV. For today's video is good news. Pisana yung nasa breeder natin. Kung gusto nyo makita, let's go. So what's up guys, kakatapos lang natin magpatoka at magpainom. Ayan na sila. So, tumungo naman tayo sa breeder natin. Let's go. Ayan guys,
Sana parehas. Quality, may ang berda naman tayo.
hindi naman natin sila istorboy. Kasi kami yung sana.